June 21 is International Yoga Day. The idea started back in 2014 when India's Prime Minister proposed it at the UN General Assembly, and it blew up instantly, receiving backing from a record-breaking 177 nations. They specifically picked June 21st because it's the summer solstice, the longest day of the entire year. To mark the very first official celebration, over 36,000 people, including high-profile global leaders, gathered right in the heart of New Delhi to perform 21 traditional yoga postures all at the exact same time. Today, that energy continues as millions of people take over parks, beaches, and studios worldwide. It's much more than a standard workout. It's an ancient practice designed to connect your mind, body, and soul. Just a few minutes can melt away chronic stress, boost your physical flexibility, and completely reset your mental clarity. So whether you're rolling out your mat, finding your inner peace, or sharing an Om, June 21 has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.